In this video, I'm going to reviewing the Digitek portable curtain stand where you can actually use it as a background for your videos or photos. Let's start first with the unboxing. In the box, it comes with a carrying bag. Inside, where you are having two 9-feet Digitek stands and 3 detachable rods, which will be attached on the top. You don't find any fancy stuff in the box also for installing these two stands, guys, and it's very easy also. Just you can unbox it and install it anywhere you like. When it comes to the installation of this stand, it is very simple. Just open up the two stands and keep them wherever you want. I mean the distance between them. Then attach the rods based on the distance between two stands. Now untighten the screw on the top of the stand and place these rods. Then tighten the screw. If you want, you can adjust the height also in the stand. That's all. Installation is completed. Now when it comes to the adding the background for the stand, you can add multiple backgrounds whatever you like. I actually used two cloths, backdrop cloths I'm having. One is green and second one is little light blue color. And even if you want, you can add the paper roll backgrounds also. When it comes to the good thing and bad things, the review of this Digitek 9-feet portable background stand is these are really good, but the price is little higher than the normal days. I bought these two background stands for just 1999 Indian rupees, and during the offer times the price is somewhere in between 1500 or maybe sometimes even 1500 below also. If in case you want the cheap alternatives, there are plenty of alternatives are available on online, and also in offline also, maybe in your nearby locality also there are available. For online, I given the links in the description box. Have a look on that. These are the best cheap background stands for your backdrop. If you want the budget softbox or any lighting for your videos or photos, then these two videos are really helpful for you. Just have a look on this.